What's going on, guys? Welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking about indexing with NumPy arrays. So let's get it. So whenever we're working with NumPy, we have to install NumPy, and we do that using pip. So we do !pip install NumPy -- upgrade -- quiet. Let's run this. Alright, so that's run. The next thing we do is import NumPy as NP. And as NP is just an alias for NumPy, so whenever you're doing like numpy.array, you don't have to type out NumPy. You can just do np.array. So the first thing I'm gonna do is create an array. Call it a equals np.a range 10. Let's take a look at A, and it has numbers 0 through 9. Indexing is accessing a value in the array at a certain point. So for example, A square brackets 2, and we get 2 because 0, 1, 2, and that's the second bracket. Let's say we wanted everything from index 2 to index 6. Let's run this, and we get 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, it doesn't include 6. It includes 2, but not 6. So it would kind of look like this. 2, comma, 6 in parentheses. So if you guys have taken like algebra, you'll know what this means. It includes 2, but not 6. Now let's say we wanted every second number. So the way we would do that is we would just put a colon after 6, and we just do 2. And when we run this, we get 2 and 4. And this 2 is what is called a step. And a step is basically what it means. It just steps over an index to get the next one. So I'm going to create an array. It will be B, and this will be np.array 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3. And the way we would access an element from this would be B, and then we would put 1 pair of square brackets, and I'll say 1, and I'll put another pair of square brackets, and I'll say 2. So since there's 2 dimensions in this array, we need 2 square brackets. The first one is for the rows, and the second one is for the columns. In Python, whenever you have a 2-dimensional array and you're trying to access something from an index, instead of going from columns to rows, it actually goes from rows to columns. So usually whenever you're graphing something on a number line, you'll go like this. And then you'll go up. And then you go up like that. But in NumPy, you go down. I don't see a down arrow on my keyboard, so I'll use a comma. So comma, comma, comma. So you go down, then you go right. So that's the main difference, and that's usually what confuses a lot of people. And that's pretty cool. A big part of programming is trying things out by yourself and then seeing what they do. And that's how you really learn a lot. So you might be wondering, well, how do you take slices with 2-dimensional arrays? I'm gonna let you play around and try to figure that out by yourself. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.